Alright, so I'm now a renter of a P.O. box, so Nappy Music is official. Alright, so here we are. Merch is in full effect. I printed my first official shipping label. I launched the merch store only about an hour ago. I have so many orders already, more than I can even count offhand. I can't believe it. So thank you everyone already that's ordered. So now my Friday night is printing shipping labels and packaging them up. So I'll keep recording my process. It's just, you got to be focused. I got to be focused. So I know this process will speed up. Right now I'm taking my time with each one so I don't screw it up. And I'm looking forward to when this becomes second nature. But it's amazing. I'm not getting sponsored by Squarespace or ShipStation, but those two together to create the e-commerce where you can have a printer right next to me. You can print and ship right from your house. It's convenient. And it syncs to your phone and your laptop, and I just feel very 2020 right now. I know people have been doing e-commerce for decades, but it's really cool. Whether it's my iPad or my phone or my laptop, boom, I got a sale, boom, I can print a label. So, whew, really cool.
Nappy Beats.
So now I'm going to watch Rudy and print out some shipping labels. I need some motivation to keep going. I've been up since 6 a.m. and I only got 4 hours of sleep last night, but I'm healthy, exercising, eating right, so just a little sleep deprived, but I feel good. And I'll keep you along on this process. So this is day one of the official merch launch. It's out and it's pretty cool. Feels cool.
Nappy Beats.
Alright, so I'm going to walk you through how I've been shipping from my home. So using this app called ShipStation, it links with my website and it takes all the inventory into account, takes all the orders. It connects with emailing the customer when the package has been shipped, and then you have tracking ID. It took me like 8 weeks to really study this stuff and feel confident with it. So right now I'm checking my orders and I see that I have orders. And this first one says it's a large tank top. And I've already weighed my shirts before I launched my sale. So I weighed them with the packaging, so I can always have that set up to save me a step in the future when I have to get the postage, because for this limited edition I'm doing free shipping. So I know that it weighs 7 ounces all packed up, and now I just press create and print label, and my printer will turn on, and then I will have my label printed and a pack sheet. And while that's printing, I know that I need a large tank top. So organization's key. You spend as much time as you need to do all the pre-organization and to maintain it, because then everything else is just easy. Everything's where it should be. You know, I spend like 10-20 minutes every day keeping up with my organization. So I'll shake this out. And I have a custom nappy tag and a tag gun. This is when I put that on.
Nappy Beats.
So this is my tag gun. Poke it through my custom tag. Then into the shirt.
Nappy
Boom.
Beats.
I love using this tag gun. So now we got the custom nappy tag with the QR code. And this is a large tank. Hear the printer printing? Awesome. Some people say this is unnecessary, and it kind of is, because if you have a brain you can fold a shirt, but I like using this shirt folder. It was like 10 bucks on Amazon. I don't know. I've kind of become obsessive compulsive with keeping things as perfect as possible when it comes to business, because I want to deliver a good product. I don't want to let down people that are willing to spend money to support something I make. So I enjoy it. Usually I'm listening to music right now, but I might want to put my own beats behind this video, because why not? And so it's a little quiet right now, but usually I'll be listening to music. Once in a while I'll watch a movie, but when I listen to music and I'm doing this type of work, at least I can be thinking about the type of stuff. I can be thinking about making music myself.
Nappy Beats.
If I'm watching a movie, kind of get sucked in. All right, so then I flip this over, boom, boom. Seeing this just makes me really happy, just seeing my own tag. And like what's really crazy is I've been pumped because the t-shirts sold out in 2 days. I haven't even, I mean they're shipped now, but I haven't even seen people wear them yet. That's gonna be a whole other type of surreal. Okay, so I got this shirt folded. My shipping is printed along with the packing sheet. Boom. That looks like this. You know, shipping. And then this is the customer's tracking number. And this is an invoice for the customer and it shows what they bought. I'm just holding out the name, obviously. So I eventually want to, so things I think about to make this more time efficient is stuff like, you know, maybe if I got one of those paper cutters with a blade, it could save me a good 45 seconds per pack if I could just have a paper cutter that goes, it cuts these the way I need them to cut. You know, but then if you weigh it out with like, well, I don't get that paper cutter and that's an extra 20 bucks I don't spend. But then, you know, it's also an extra minute that I spend doing this cut. So a lot of things to weigh out. You know, I think once you reach a point where your time is too valuable to cut out a shipping label, that's when you make the adjustment. And my time is getting there. It's not that I'm anyone special, but finally this music business for me is keeping me busy 7 days a week. Cutting up these shipping labels is time consuming. Although I do love it. I love this stuff. And I'm at the very beginning of business. But I would recommend anyone to create merchandise and sell it if they're interested in business. It's the best way to learn the most basic stuff. So now I got the packing sheet I keep underneath of the shirt. I put the shirt into the bag. Boom. That. I like to make the packaging as pretty as possible. Make a good first impression. I know when I get a package, it just feels good. Sometimes the customer might not even remember that when they opened your package, they felt good because it felt special. But what won't be in their brain is that they never want to order from you again. So I feel like with products, you know, I've made a lot of mistakes with music, and I'm sure there's a lot of mistakes I'm making with this merchandise. But in regards to things I can control, like first impression, creating a quality product, I refuse to make those mistakes. You know, I definitely made a bad song mistakes before in my life, but I can live with that. With this stuff that's involving other people's money, I don't want to mess it up. So I almost wrap it like a present, tape the corners down. I know some people are like, isn't that bag so big for the shirt? And you're right, but I weighed out my price options for a turquoise bag that I wanted, and these larger ones were actually cheaper than the smaller ones. So I adapted on ways to figure out how to make the packaging look good and save money. So now it's nice and clean on this side, which is what I go for. The side that has the tape to fold the packaging in together is where I put the label. There's a lot of different people that tape their labels different. Some people suggest that you leave a little bit of the barcode open so the tape doesn't screw it up when it gets scanned. But actually with ShipStation and Squarespace, the two things I use to sell these products, you can actually scan the tracking information to send the customer a notification that their product can be tracked now. And I'm able to track these packages with my phone through the tape. So I tape everything up. That way if the package gets wet, the product inside isn't, the label isn't getting ruined. And I'll show you right now. This is so freaking cool. Technology is, my mind has just been blown lately. Alright, so this is an order. Let me make sure I don't show the person's name. So there's the tracking code, right? And now it says, my app says fulfill order. Boom. So I'm gonna fulfill order. I'm gonna hit the scan barcode. Technology is so cool. I simply scan this barcode. Press the button fulfill. Look, it has the tracking number up there now. I press fulfill. Boom! The customer has an email now. Package is shipped, which means I have to go to the post office now, which I am. So, this is freaking awesome. Technology is amazing. I have one more order to do, and then I'm going back to the post office. I'm doing my best. As soon as I get an order, pack it up, ship it. Let it down. Oh! But anyway, yeah, so really grateful for everyone that's bought t-shirts. These shirts are sold out. I haven't decided if I'm gonna print a second line because I did say limited edition, and how cool would it be to keep it limited edition? And the fall line's already being developed, and it is freaking cool. Not even because it's my line, it's just really cool. I'm only gonna create stuff that's comfortable and that I like. And I hope other people do. And I think you are, because these are sold out. Tank tops are left. Go to nappymusic.com. Thank you again for all the love, for everyone that supported, shared, liked, commented, and maybe even bought some Nappy merch. We still have tank tops left in all sizes. If you want them, make sure to hit that subscribe button, that like button. Thanks for joining me on the journey of my very first limited edition Nappy merch. I think that's all I got. I've spoken enough. I'm feeling good. Excuse me. I got a chia seed in my mouth. So I've been exercising 6 days a week for eight weeks now. And there's a direct correlation between fitness and happiness and success. And success doesn't always mean money. It means happiness to me. So maybe that means something to you. Anyway, that's it. Nappy vlogs. Nappy merch is officially out. Go to nappymusic.com. Repeat myself now, but why not? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, follow me on all social media at Nappy Music. I love y'all. Bye.
Nappy Beats.